Understanding Stony-faced, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, stony-faced. This idiom is a vivid part of the English language, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of English. So, let's dive in and learn about what it means to be stony-faced. Stony-faced is an idiom used to describe someone who is showing no emotion or reaction on their face. Imagine a face as inexpressive and unyielding as a stone. This phrase often implies that the person is deliberately hiding their emotions, maintaining a composed or impassive appearance even in situations where showing emotion would be expected. The origin of stony-faced ties back to the idea of stone being hard and unchangeable. In literature and history, stone has often been used as a metaphor for something that is unyielding or unaffected by external forces. When we say someone is stony-faced, we're comparing their lack of emotional expression to the unchanging nature of stone. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. 1. During the intense meeting, she remained stony-faced, not letting anyone see her concern. 2. Despite the funny jokes, he sat there stony-faced, not laughing once. These examples show how stony-faced can be used in different contexts to describe someone who is keeping their emotions hidden. There are other expressions in English that convey similar meanings, like poker-faced, often used in the context of games, meaning showing no emotional expression. Impassive. This is a more formal term that also means not showing emotion. Understanding phrases like stony-faced can really enrich your English learning journey. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the culture and history behind them. I hope this video has been helpful, and you can now confidently use and understand stony-faced in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!